Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Earlier today, I made a video on this, so this is part two, where I tried to use the interactive fill tool, but it doesn't work because it's turning this entire object. And you could break that apart, but here I thought about something else. Let's take that object and nudge it over. And now let's take a 2-point line and let's go like right in here. And then let's fill this in with that same color. Which is that, I think. Fill that in now. Since my outline is not an object, it's going beyond, but we're going to try something. Now I'm going to go to the interactive fill tool and I'm going to swipe across. I'm going to put black here. And I'm going to put a little bit more. Now, let me take away my line and put this on top. And that would actually work right now already, with the exception you see that this line is a line and not an outline. And I do not like power clip, but power clip might work in this case. Go to object, power clip, place inside frame, and see it made it work. And then just move that over. It's almost too not dark enough or something. Let's try it before we power clip it. You know, it's a sudden stop that I don't like. So to make a sudden stop go away, we're going to do that right there. There we go. Now go to object, power clip, place inside frame. And I wouldn't have to power clip it. I could probably do something else if I'd made this line an outline and then just nudge it back over and then just do the same thing for the other part. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea or two for something in the future, and thank you for watching.